ಹಲೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹಾರನ್ ಗೋಶ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ಸರಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Guys,
Hello, Lux Army. Let's hit 100,000 likes for more new episodes. So for this episode, we received an email from a woman named Candace, a 53-year-old mother who believes there's something horribly wrong with her son. Candace says her son doesn't talk to her anymore, and it seems like he cannot stop growing to the point where he can barely fit in his clothes. She says he's been pulling out his hair and won't let her see his face. She sent us this video for proof.
Tommy, I brought you your dinner. Do you want it, sweetie?
So tonight we've decided to head out to her house and see what's happening with her son when she's not watching him. Let's go.
ಗೈಸ್, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ.
So what do you think's going on with this lady's son? I really don't understand the problem.
Okay, so from what she said in the email, her son's been growing super fast for some reason and acting really creepy towards her.
Dude, that doesn't make any sense. How do we know he's not just hitting a growth spurt or something?
I don't think this lady would contact us if he was just having a normal growth spurt.
Dude, if this woman's having problems with her son, they should be going to therapy.
Let's just get there and see what we're dealing with, okay?
Okay, fine.
ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಯಾರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾನೆ.
Wait, right here. This is it, bro. Okay, hold over. Something seems really wrong here, dude. The windows are all dark. Dude, I don't know if I want to meet these people. This could just feel like a waste of time.
Well, at the very least, let's just go in and meet Candace and try to talk to her son, okay?
Alright, let's knock on her door.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Sir?
Hi, Candace, right? Yeah. Hi, you emailed us about your son. We told you we were coming tonight.
Okay.
We can come in, right?
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ.
Okay.
Dude, it seems like she didn't know we were coming.
Oh, she's probably going too long. Candace, is your son home right now?
ಜಂಪ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ನು
Okay. Let's sit down and talk with you, okay?
ಸದ್ಯ
Let's sit down now.
ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, Candace, thank you for letting us sit down with you. Can you give us more details about what's going on with your son?
My son.
ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
It's my fault.
ಆಂಟಿ ಅಳ್ತಾರೆ.
I should have done something sooner.
So you told us in the email you sent us that he's been acting really strange. Can you go into that more?
He's still my boy. He just doesn't talk to me anymore.
ಅವನಿಗೇನೇ ಆದ್ರೂ
I mean, I can see you're very concerned about him, which is, a good thing, but when did all this start happening with him?
After Michael passed.
Michael was your husband?
Tommy ran into the woods. He was gone for about 3 days. I almost called the police. But eventually one night, he came back into his room through his window.
The window? Why didn't he come through the front door?
I don't know. He just completely shut down. And now he wears this strange mask. It's just like he's not my Tommy anymore.
Well, you mentioned that his father passed away. Are you sure this isn't like some type of grieving?
No, this isn't grieving. It's physical too.
What do you mean by that?
It's just those bones, they don't fit into his skin anymore. I love my son. He's my whole world, but this isn't my Tommy.
Okay, Candace, is it okay if Chester and I go talk to Tommy now?
Yeah, but he's been pulling out his hair lately.
Okay, that's fine.
just don't see anything. I think he's self-conscious of it.
Okay, where's his room?
It's upstairs on the left.
Okay, alright. Okay, let's go talk to Tommy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Tommy? I'm gonna open the door. Hi, Tommy? My name is Parker. I'm friends with your mom. She invited me here to talk to you to make sure you're okay. Are you feeling alright? Your mom's been worried about the way you've been acting. Tommy, do you think you could turn around so we can talk face to face?
Yeah.
Dude, we should go. We gotta go now.
Okay, Tommy, if you want to talk more, Chester and I will be here all night.
Dude, I gotta talk to you. Dude, did you see his face? What was that?
I don't know, I think that's his mask.
Why is he wearing a mask?
I have no idea. It could be some sort of grieving thing after his dad passed.
How could that be a grieving thing?
Dude, I don't know. I mean, we came here to set up cameras, so why don't we just start setting them up?
Dude, I'm afraid to see what this guy even does at night.
Bro, let's just set up the cameras.
Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
Okay, put a camera up here. Okay, good. Okay, so Tommy just went to the bathroom. Let's go put a camera in his room.
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Oh, dude. It smells so bad in here. Okay, I gotta hide this thing.
Hey, what's this? Dude, there's like some sort of like meat or something here.
Dude, don't mess with that. Dude, what's it from?
Dude, it just moved.
Huh?
The meat just moved, bro.
What are you talking about? Let's just go. Set the camera.
ಗೈಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ?
Okay, let's put a camera in Candace's room.
ನಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ತೆಗ್ದ ಬಾಗ.
Hi, Candace, can we put a camera in your room?
ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ರೀಪಿ ಥರ ಐತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಗನ ಮಕ್ಕ ಕ್ರೀಪಿನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ.
That's good. Okay, Candace, so we set up cameras all over your house, and we put one in Tommy's room too.
I'm not sure he's gonna like that.
Oh, why?
Well, he doesn't know that we put one in there. At least I hope not.
I just don't want to make him angry. I just want my old Tommy back.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Okay, Candace, Chester and I are gonna do our best, but we need to see how your son acts at night first. Candace, listen, it's alright, okay? Chester and I are gonna do the best we can. We just need to watch the footage from these cameras so we know what's going on with him, okay? We'll all watch the footage together in the morning. Chester and I are gonna be sleeping in your guest room tonight.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Let's go to sleep.
Okay.
Okay, good night.
Bro, when we were talking to Tommy, I got a really bad feeling. Did you see the way that he looked at us?
Dude, I know it was creepy, but we really don't know what he might be going through.
I just feel like he doesn't want us in this house. Bro, I don't feel safe sleeping here.
Yeah, and neither does Candace, and that's her own son. That's why we're here. Dude, let's just go to sleep, okay? We'll watch it for the morning.
Okay.
ಮಲ್ಕೊಂತವ್ರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆನದು 12 ಗಂಟೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅವನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ 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 ಇವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದ. ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಲ್ಗವ್ರೆ, ಇವನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ದ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಯಪ್ಪ ಎದ್ದಾಳ್ರು ಓಡೋಗ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀನು ಓಡೋಗು. ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ತಗೊಂಡ ಒಂದು ಕೈಯೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಥರ ಐತೆ, ನಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಕತ್ತವನು ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋರ್ ತೆಗ್ದ. ನಂಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ರೂಮ್ ಐತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಆಗೋದು 2 ಗಂಟೆ 20 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ರೂಮ್ ಬಂದ. ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಆರಾಮ್ಸಿ ಮಲ್ಗವ್ರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಬಂದವನೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಬಿದ್ದವರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಜಂಪ್ಸ್ಕೇರ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಂದೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. 7:18 AM ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
Okay, so it's about 7 a.m. right now. We just woke up.
Dude, did you hear anything last night?
No, I slept like a baby. Why?
I don't know. Maybe I had a weird dream.
Okay, well, can you go wake up Candace? I'll go set up the footage so we can watch it.
All right, I'll go wake up. Candace, it's time to wake up. Come in. Hello? Candace,
ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪಾಪ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್.
are you okay?
What? Tommy?
No, it's Chester. We need to get up. It's morning. Oh my God.
My leg's tight.
Parker!
What's the problem?
Dude,
Candace, what's wrong?
her legs aren't working. And
Candace, are you
there's something wrong with her, dude. There's this black mark on her back.
Are you okay?
I don't know. I'm fine.
4 ಗಂಟೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್.
Okay, let's get you up, okay? Okay.
Bro, what's wrong with her?
Okay, so let's look at this footage from last night.
CCTV ಫುಟೇಜ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, so it looks like Tommy wasn't sleeping much at all.
He's very active.
I can see that.
Oh my God. He's going into my room.
Oh my God, what's he doing to you?
I don't know. What's wrong with my son?
Is that why you can't walk? That's your spine.
I don't know what's going on.
Candace, look what he did to you. This isn't normal. We need to call the police.
No.
But Candace.
They won't understand Tommy.
Okay, well, if you don't want to call the police, Chester and I need to go talk to him right now.
No, he rested this time.
Yo, we gotta talk now, bro.
Okay, let's go talk.
ಇವಾಗ ಇವರೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Bro, what the hell did we just watch? Why doesn't she want to call the police?
Dude, I don't know. That was horrifying.
It looked like he was sucking her spinal fluid out, like a mosquito or something.
Did you see the way he was walking? I think he grew more last night.
We gotta get out of here.
Well, now it's more clear than ever that this lady needs our help. We definitely need to stay here one more night.
Bro, come on.
We're staying. We don't have a choice. Okay. Okay, Candace, so we saw some pretty awful things last night.
I really just don't want him to get here again tonight.
I mean, I don't know what to do here. Are you sure we can't just call the police?
No. They won't understand him.
Okay, well, listen. How about we put this chair here against your door handle in case he tries to get in again? There's no way he's going to be able to get through this.
Okay.
Okay, so we're all set now. If he tries to come in again, Chester and I are going to be right in the other room. Try to get some sleep, okay? We'll watch your footage in the morning.
Okay. I just really love him. be okay.
I understand that, but right now we need to worry about you too. Okay, try to get some sleep, alright?
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬೇರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ.
Bro, you can't tell me you feel safe sleeping here tonight. What if he comes into our room?
Alright, look, obviously I'm not comfortable with this, but what are the other options?
We can leave.
Dude, let's just record tonight to see what this guy's doing. It's definitely too unsafe to leave Candace alone.
Alright, but the second I hear anything, I'm leaving.
Okay, whatever, let's just go to bed.
Okay, whatever.
ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೈಟ್ 2 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ. ಏನೋ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಇವತ್ತಂತೂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಜಂಪ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ ಬೇಡ. ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಬಂದ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಬಂದ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಪಕ್ಕ.
Dude, something's breaking.
What?
Something's breaking, bro.
What do you think happened, bro? Come on.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, let's go.
ಯಪ್ಪ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ.
Is this your shirt?
Where'd she go? Bro, I think we gotta get out of here, dude.
Dude, did that guy take her?
Dude, I do not want to be here anymore. We gotta go now.
Dude, we gotta find her.
We gotta worry about ourselves.
Dude, you saw that thing take her. We need to find her, bro. Let's go. We gotta call someone.
Dude, he's gone.
Bro, we need to call someone.
ಅವನ ಮಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ. ಆಂಟಿ